Okay. So, hold on. I'm assuming it's not this. Oh. Huh? So I combine the key. Alright, let's just kill the girl. Okay. I'm strong enough. So that means they have 20 health? Apparently Ace is planning a breakup. Motherfucker, how are you the smartest person here? You're Ace. You can't be talking about yourself. That was my chance. Hello. Oh. Yeah, we're cooking, boy. Do they search? Wait, no. Do they search my toilet? I think they do. Oh. Please tell me it's not. Oh. Okay, when I do that, okay. Fuck me. Oh. So bad. Okay, so here's the plan. Here's the plan. We'll do it a lot quicker. We'll third party a cop. I need toothpaste. I need the mold. Oh, I need to get all that other shit. What was it? Lighter chocolate mug? Okay, that's actually kind of easy. Okay. I'm just gonna go straight to searching motherfuckers. Okay, so I need that. Okay. Timber. Okay. Grab a shiv. Fine. Another shiv. Like 30 plans. Well, that's just not good. $16 more. Bro's a muffin. Wait, this isn't even mine. I need the Tolkien or whatever. Whatever the fuck it is. I don't know what the fuck sleeping pills do, to be honest. Pickaxe. Okay. One of these has to have it. Fuck. Okay. Let's get smarter real quick. Fuck, dude, I need, oh. Eight more, okay. I don't think they fucking care if I miss. Like, as long as they don't see me missing it. There's a fight going on. What the fuck? Oh. Yoink! Run! Run! We have 2 files now. So we have cup, we have lighter. What do we need? Chocolate? No, let's get chocolate. Oh my god, I haven't been looking for chocolate. I bet some jackass has chocolate.